I'm Dr. Craig Chepke. I'm a psychiatrist in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I'm really proud to be one of the co-chairs for this year's Psych Congress Elevate with my friends and colleagues, Desiree and Steve. We are thrilled to be back in Las Vegas for our 8th annual Psych Congress Elevate meeting, where we, as I like to say, are going to turn Sin City into CME City. And obviously, Caesar was a Roman emperor, and that got me thinking. If you think about being in Las Vegas for Psych Congress Elevate, the Roman numeral 5 is represented as a V. So we're going to talk about the 5 V's of Psych Congress Elevate 2024. So without further ado, here is the first V of Psych Congress Elevate this year, and it's for all the vital practical psychopharmacology education that we're going to be able to deliver. This is the only conference that gives us this kind of valuable, that's a bonus V, information that give you practical takeaways. I mean, we're talking about things you can take back to your office on the Monday after the meeting ends and use it to help your patients right away.
Hi, I'm Dr. Steve Chan. I'm an addiction medicine physician, psychiatrist, and a clinical informaticist, and I'm pleased to be here as a co-chair at Elevate. Coming in at number 2 for the second V of Elevate, which is kind of a twofold V because we have 2 valuable Vs here. One is for the variety of topics, and then the second is for the visionary presenters we have on our agenda. Now we have over 25 topics featured, including new sessions on trauma, PTSD, depression in youths and adults, and opioid addiction, which many folks have requested from previous conferences. And we've got over 40 field experts who will encourage you to think outside the box and help elevate your experience.
Hi, I'm Desiree Matthews, a board-certified psychiatric nurse practitioner. I'm excited to be a 2024 co-chair for Elevate with Craig and Steve. Our third V of Elevate embodies the notion of staying at the forefront with a vanguard of cutting-edge and future-focused topics featured on this year's agenda. We'll have sessions on using social media to support your practice, practical uses for AI in your practice. We'll talk about telepsychiatry and digital therapeutics, just to name a few. We will also review the new and exciting pipeline of treatments coming soon for schizophrenia.
And now, that brings us to number 4, which is for all the new voices that you haven't heard before. Now, this unique experience will help to empower the next generation of mental health practitioners to educate their peers, which is something new and exciting in this year's event.
Finally, our last V, and I'm really excited to be able to do this one, number 5, is that Elevate can help you to vault your career forward to the next level. You'll be able to take advantage of things like having a professional CV reviewer, getting a professional headshot being taken on site, and then also having some incredible unparalleled networking at Psych Congress Elevate. You'll have time to have one-on-one with the Psych Congress faculty. You'll be able to entertain yourself as part of the networking event, which you're going to be having in Beer Park, which is in the Paris Las Vegas Hotel, right across the street from Caesars. And we're going to have also a Meet the Experts and a Elevate with the Experts sessions as well. And really, I'm living proof that this is possible. It wasn't that long ago, just a handful of years, that I started regularly attending Psych Congress events like Elevate. And then I gained confidence and knowledge and built lifelong friendships in the Psych Congress family. And I went from being an attendee to a faculty member, and from faculty member to on the steering committee, and then steering committee to co-chair of this meeting. And once I made it, so to speak, then I wanted to pay that forward to other emerging voices that really I felt deserved and needed to be heard, like Desiree.
Absolutely, Craig. You know, my experience with Elevate has been all about growth. I started as an attendee, became a speaker, and now I'm co-chair. And I'm looking forward to seeing other rising stars get their chance to take the Elevate stage for the first time like I did just a few years ago. Who knows, maybe you can be next.
Well, hopefully you've been able to see that with Psych Congress Elevate, truly the possibilities are infinite. Well, we're excited to welcome you back to Psych Congress Elevate 2024 in Las Vegas because some extra V's for you. Viva Las Vegas!